Right at Frontier Town in Maryland. Just going to give you guys a brief overview of where we're staying. We have a deluxe trailer. I guess it's deluxe because it's on the water. So we just got here. So overview of this room. And over here we have the kitchen area. The kitchen looks just like the pictures online. Nothing's not unexpected. This is exactly what was advertised. Stove, microwave up there, full refrigerator, TV over there. And coming through this way, we have where my husband and I will be sleeping. So in here, it's a bathroom. Pretty tight. You can't turn around up in there, okay? Okay. Then coming through, we have the sink area. Shower. I gotta get in there and clean. This is a closet. Okay. And this is where Huggy and I will be sleeping. Full bed. Dresser. Closets. I'll hear my dog out there. Dressers. Of course, you can close it off that area, but okay. I'm gonna come back out and show you where the girls are sleeping.
You can't bring that. There's full of you around.
Did she just duck down? Okay, there's Bentley and beds. Tight up in here, but
oh my god! I think this
and
TV
that's
is for show.
I'm gonna show you the view outside. Renee, you open the door or Maya?
It's
open
like they
the door?
downloaded something to only show the picture of it coming up, but it won't come up. You know.
She's locked us in. She don't know how to get us out.
That's me.
I didn't do this.
Okay.
Well, let me pick up the
We'll figure it outside for you.
Look, it says no functions are under.
Come on in. Nice dock. And the water. We close to the water. Very close to the water. Get ready. Hodgepodge of videos that I'm going to be dropping together, but this is what the kitchen area is looking like right now. My husband has some stuff on the grill. Have our specialty punch drinks made with vodka, chicken burgers, hamburgers. So we decided that we probably will do a cabin next time just to get a little bit more of a wider space. They recommended that we get the deluxe. Pray for me. Maya's driving the golf cart.
We were just sitting there waiting.
Making milkshake?
It felt like an hour. Yeah, he threw away what he
yourself?
already made. Yeah.
Or you make them yourself?
Yeah, it only takes 1 minute.
But she meet for the first time. Stay on your blanket. Hi, Shishi.
Because that might be the outdoor stuff, right?
Hey, Shishi. Hi. Hi, girl.
And the ladies, when we was there last Sunday, we was like, oh, we don't want to ask them. Are you gonna just do some steak now? Doja came in the house and was like, y'all burnt the chicken?
Maya's riding a bike. Attempting to ride a bike. Poor Bentley. He like she, but he don't know what to do.
This is swimming.
Bentley, she too much for you. She.
Shark from.
Is it
What movie?
Oh. This how fast to go? What happened? This is not even fast.
She gonna speed up trying to.
Hold on.
Steam up.
Come on, y'all push forward. Push forward. And y'all really pushing forward. Mommy!
Steam up.
Hold on.
What's your grandma?
Nothing.
Oh, there is a lot of slides. Is that a?
Oh, I meant to ask y'all for a scrunchie. Y'all didn't.
Yeah, you sending her a whole bunch of pictures. You said big cold vibes.
So what y'all getting on?
She said it's giving them cold vibes.
Jada, she had like. I don't want them to ask me no questions.
To jail. We have to get the one way back.
Stop it. Oh shit, how
I couldn't imagine living in these damn times.
I think so.
The turn
People are
around.
staying in there. I'm about to.
I think you can. I think you can. Go ahead, peek in there. Is beds in there?
I mean, no.
No. Oh,
Come look.
well, I thought I saw something on the wall.
Unless somebody put a mattress in there.
Let's see. Oh. Oh, okay.
I mean, I guess it would be considered bare bone, because don't this look like a bunk bed with no...
Yep. Reflection. Whew. Girl, coming up them steps did something. Whew, Lord. This how you know you out of shape. I move slower now.
Down.
Ben, you want to walk by the water? Okay, let's go catch up with Shishi. Come on.
She better not get in no poison ivy.
This way. Come on. Yeah, the guy said people come back here to go watch the sunrise.
Really?
That is benches down there. Get over here. Oh. Ben, come on.
Come on, son.
Yes, come through, son. Bentley, hold on. I'll share the
Billy, I'm mad you got mad clothes. Come on. She's like, where am I?
Bentley. Boy.
Shishi, come on.
She was trying to figure out what that pine cone was. Oh, she do the same thing he do. Gotta get all up on it to
Shishi
smell
don't
it.
get walks. Bentley get walks. That's why this is all new to her.
Come on, Bentley. Come on, come on. The way she just hopped over that.
For the sunrise over here.
Yeah. so peaceful.
I know.
Ben. Boy, come on now.
Where you going?
Look, that's why I ain't letting him go over there. Because it looked like it turns into water at some point. Stop, stop. Whew. You good, Ben? You good?
And today what, Monday, right?
Yes.
You're charged at $250 an hour rate. And then it's a $75 hookup. Per hour from portal to portal. But yes, round trip, exactly. From the time that we leave until we get back, you're charged $250. It's a hookup. It's a
Oh, look at that one.
Oh, look at those horses.
Oh, look at that one.
Oh, look at those horses.
The udders.
The udders.
Both combined. Both.
They're talking about hello.
He said start recording.
He got horns.
That's
Women
the
don't
cow. Look
have
at the
those.
bottom.
Women don't have those. Hello?
Yes, he's gonna bite you.
Oh, he like, I ain't talking to
Oh, the shade.
Then she turned her head or he turned his head. You a
Hi.
girl or boy?
That's a girl. Look in the back.
Go, how you know what's in her ass?
He ain't got no balls.
Look in the back right there. It look,
Why
somebody
do
pet
y'all
it.
have shows on Monday?
Somebody pet it.
Their little fake chapel.
This shit gonna cave in.
You curse? Oh, you curse? You got some wine in your hand.
You got to preach.
You know what I'm saying? It ain't no half stepping. Word. It's high school.
It's high school quiz. Hey.
Another case, another outcome, another victory. They can't get with me. So pick a BC day cause you're history. I'm in the middle.
She's up. They're up, babe. Mayani.
Somebody say something.
Hi.
I want that too.
Let's stop before we leave. Dumpsters Dairyland. After they get their ice cream, we're getting back on the road and going home. Ooh.
Have a good day, guys.
You too, baby.